And yet, hindi nyo po in-inspection, siguro dahil kukunti lang ang kikitain doon sa fire extinguishers, or kung hindi man, like I said earlier, nakapiring ang mata dahil meron ng envelope. I'm sorry for the word, sir.
Yes, sir. As stated earlier, we will be adopting what we call the BIN. Wala hong maiiwan ng establishment at ma-inspect ko sila on the right calendar days because of this business ID number. The last digit of their number will represent the month. We counted already and calculate number of establishment versus the calendar days for inspection. Rest assured that we will look into this matter. I was the ground commander of the Kentex Fire, and I don't want the same thing to happen again. So we recognize your observation, Mr. Chair, and we look into this particular matter to ensure that all establishments prior to their operation, especially those establishments operating a very hazardous situations, will be inspected and properly addressed on.
Yung pong mga provincial buses na required magkaroon ng fire extinguishers, kasama dyan ba sa jurisdiction ninyo na i-inspect yun?
Yes, Mr. Chair. We already have an initial coordination with the OTS, with General Cruz, and I told him that there's a need for us to really implement this kind of safety because there are so many.
No, my question, sir, jurisdiction yun.
Yes, Mr. Chair, kasama
Then
po siya
your
sa city.
people are not doing their job because nag-inspect din ako last year sa napakarami mga buses, expired yung mga fire extinguishers. So pag nagkaroon ng sunog, useless. Hindi masasalba yung mga pasahero.
There will be a thorough coordinations with the OTS, Mr. Chair, and we will address this matter.
Ganon din po sa mga barko. Expired yung mga fire extinguishers ang iba. So ibig sabihin, hindi rin kayo nag-inspect. Di ba kasama rin sa responsibility nyo? Basta fire extinguisher pinag-usapan, dapat kayo po nag-inspect.
Mr. Chair, for vessels, it's the Marina.
Marina, okay.
What we are into is when the vessel is on dock, in case of fire occurrences and incidents, it's the BFP who will take charge of.
Okay. Well, then may na-inspect ako isang barko, yung exit nila, nakakandado, nakatali, sira. Oh, dapat nasa sa inspection. Sabi ko nga dun sa kapitan ng barko, paano kung nagkasunog o malulubog ng barko, hindi makatakas yung mga pasahero dahil serado yung pinto, yung fire exit nila.
Mr. Chair, it is within the Marina Authority for vessels. It's not part of the mandated functions of the BFP, but coordination is being, we will observe the coordination with the Marina, Mr. Chair.
So lastly, mag-inspect po kayo sa mga factories, ano po?
Yes,
dahil
Mr.
marami tayong mga gagawa dyan every day by the hundreds, they're working there. Mainit, tapos walang fire exit. In fact, meron ng incidents in the past, many years ago, na natusta yung mga manggagawa dahil sinesera ng mga owners ng factory yung mga fire exits kasi iniisip nila baka magnakaw, magpuslit ng mga produkto. That's why they locked it. Nang nagkaroon ng sunog, ilan mga manggagawang nasunog. So you have to inspect, please, itong mga factories, okay?
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yun lang for
Duly
now,
noted,
Mr.
Mr. Chair.
Chair. Bureau of Fire.
Siguro just a follow-up siguro yung po sa mga usually fire exit, yung mga doors, di ba dapat Chief Superintendent, nagkaroon tayo ng dati problema yung sa ozone dahil yung pagbukas ng pinto.
Yung flow po ng
Yung flow
directions
dapat,
po ng
does the BFP check on that also? Para
yes,
for
Mr. Chair,
safety?
is part of the
Dapat
safety.
palabas na di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, is part of the safety requirements. It depends on the type of occupancy, Mr. Chair.
Siguro just a quick question to follow doon sa linya ni Senator Tulfo as the one who is defending the budget of the DILG, which includes the BFP. How effective is the use of body-worn cameras for the fire inspectors? Maganda yan. No, at least tuwing may inspection sila. Are all inspectors required to wear the body-worn cameras now?
Yes, Mr. Chair, before a fire safety inspection to be conducted, the fire safety inspector must wear, as instructed by the secretary, wear the body-worn camera. It's effective because we're able to monitor. Unfortunately, it's limited.
That's why my next question.
That's why, yes, sir.
What is the inventory of our present body-worn cameras now sa BFP and how much more do we need para itong sa darating na budget season, mapaghandaan na po natin.
Yes, sir. For now, around 50% covers the fire safety inspector. Kaya ho, mag-antayan matapos yung isa, sir, bago makapag-inspect. But hopefully, we will be able to secure more in the future so that everybody who will be conducting fire safety inspector will have the body-worn camera.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Senator Tulfo.
Ito pa, no? Ito ay talamak na reklamo. In fact, I have a friend, I'm not gonna mention her name, na kapag may nasusunugan, kadalasan, ninanakawan yung nasunugan. At sino po yung nagnanakaw? Taga Bureau of Fire. Alam niyo po yun, ano? I'm sure you cannot deny that. So, anong steps ang ginagawa ninyo para maiwasan na po yung nasunugan ka na nga, tapos inaasahan mo yung Bureau of Fire magsisave nung mga properties mo, yung pala nanakawin ng mga taga Bureau of Fire, ng mga bombero mismo.
Mr. Chair, part of our fire ground management now is for the ground commander and the safety officer to look and check all responders in the BFP of possible looting. We called it looting, Mr. Chair. It's the thing of the past already, Mr. Chair. And
No, sir, it's still happening.
that is why, Mr. Chair, na matagal na hong nangyayari, na hanggang ngayon nangyayari pa rin siya. Kaya ho, Mr. Chair, ginagawa ho namin yung fire ground management supervisions of our ground commanders. But it's not only about BFP. We will include those who board the other fire trucks coming from our auxiliaries. There was an incident in one of the mall in near Balintawak that there was a looting incident, and with this FAS, we called it a fire auxiliary service that we will establish within our bureau to make sure that all these auxiliaries will be counted properly. It will be part of the fire ground management supervision.
So meron kayong ground commander
Yes,
na
Mr. Chair.
nandoon habang ginagawa nila yung mga bombero yung kanilang trabaho, habang
Yes,
napula
Mr.
yung sunog. And then after that, minomonitor nyo kung
They will be
nasaan itong
inspected.
mga
Yes, Mr. Chair.
itong bombero, and then ini-inspect nyo yung mga
Yes, sir.
sasakyan nila.
Bago ho umuwi ng fire station, doon pa lang sa ground, ipapa-check na ho namin yung mga sasakyan, yung mga suot na bunker coats nila.
Sasakyan na yung...
Yung fire trucks, Mr. Chair, at saka yung mga suot nila.
Sorry, so you were born yesterday. Hindi nila nilalagay sa fire trucks. Of course, nilalagay nila, may kasabot sila na may kotse, private vehicle, at doon nila sa trunk nilalagay yung mga nanakaw nila. It's not sa fire truck. Kasi pag fire truck, of course, very obvious, maraming tao nakatingin. Usually pa simple, pinapasa sa mga sakyan. Hindi nyo pala alam yon, sir?
Mr. Chair, may mga nababalitaan ho kami, and that is why we intensify this fire ground management functions of our ground commander. That will maybe extend to even in the fire scene, that these officers will be looking into how the firefighters inside the burning building doing.
Kasi
Kasama
Mr.
po
Chair,
siya, Mr. Chair.
nung panahon pa ito, hindi itong present administration, yung kahadiero, yung maliit, dalawa na